What's up, guys? Today we are going to talk about how you can watch Beast games in the USA. If you have not heard, Mr. Beast has launched his new game show series on Amazon Prime and it's taking the internet by storm. So, if you're wondering how to watch these games, here's what you need to do. First, you'll need an Amazon Prime subscription. Without it, you won't be able to access the content. So, if you're good to go, let's get started. Step 1, open Google and simply search for Prime Video. That'll take you to the official Amazon Prime Video website. Step 2. Once you're in the site, you should see the Beast games right there on the homepage. But if you can't find it immediately, don't worry. Just type in Beast games in the search bar and it will pop up. Step 3. From there, you can watch the games however you like, whether you're streaming on your TV, phone, or computer. And that's it. That's how you can watch Beast games in the United States. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next one.